on, little buddy. Quality.
What bait you throw out there?
Tube.
That spot there?
Sitting on that bed right there.
Yeah.
See you, buddy. I said, man, I'll bomb any. I don't pass up a single bed. You never know. Nice. Nice Smallie. Uh-oh.
Giving us a show.
Uh-oh. That was a 2-foot jump. Nice. Nice. Good quality. House is there. Oh, I guess there's a house. Yeah, baby. Out deep. You were out deep. He's better than what we have so far today. Jump, buddy.
Oh, yeah. That's a nice one.
Out deep. I pulled right up on. No. I'm okay. Actually, he is quality. I'll get him.
That one I just had.
He's 2.5. I love. They fight like they're 5 pounds. Out. Chunk. Another chunk. Yeah. Come on, man. Give up. I'll get you off this here. Come on. Oh, quality. Here, come here. Quality. That's one of the reasons I stopped throwing a Cinco on Lake George, really. I still run into them. I'm sure this is one. Oh, another Smallie. Thank you. You got a battle scar from something. Tube, man. I threw out here trying to give you this whole corner. Dude, I was gonna say, how are you hooked? Oh, you're in 24 feet of water, buddy. So usually, this is where we actually got him. Nice. Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah.
He tried to drag me down the rocks.
Yeah, pull you into that crib.
Got me there.
Nice. It's a perfect spot with deep water. I mean, you got rocks and docks. The busted dock is down there. What's left of it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's. Yeah. Come here, sweetie. Yeah, man. See ya. Just threw to nothing. I didn't even throw to anything. Angry. Come on. Alright. Catching Smallies finally. There's one. There's a decent one, I think. Big largemouth, I think. No, I'm okay. Yep. You hit like a largemouth. That's quality. Yeah, they're there. I know they're there. See that one didn't get to the bottom either.
Oh, really?
No, I saw like my line moved like 3 feet. I was like, uh-oh. They come out of that crib and they eat it on the fall.
Damn it.
It hung up.
I got it. Must have lost it.
Dude, yeah, you ain't kidding. That's a lot bigger than I thought. Gosh, she's heavy.
4.5 pounds.
It might be. There's a bed right there. We tried getting the one off that. I caught the one off that bed yesterday. Slow way down. Oh, oh, yeah, you got the other one. You just sucked him off that bed. Oh, I just had a hit. Nice. Oh, look at the big. There's the female behind her.
Big one.
Easy 2 pounds bigger than that one. Oh, she sees me. She sees it. Yeah, you just caught the male. Look at the female. Get him in. Cool, 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 cool. There's a bed right there. We tried getting the one off that. I caught the one off that bed yesterday. Slow way down. Oh, oh, yeah, you got the other one. You just sucked him off that bed. Oh, I just had a hit. Nice. Oh, look at the big. There's the female behind her.
Big one.
Easy 2 pounds bigger than that one. Oh, she sees me. She sees it. Yeah, you just caught the male. Look at the female. Get him in. Cool, 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 cool. Got a little guy. He's alright. Buck bass, man. Yeah, he's very good quality. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice, man. Nice. Thank you. Oops, sorry. Go play. Ew. There he is. Yep. Come on, take it. No, 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 not you. Not you, not you. No. Oh, you took it. They're there. You got a perfect angle. Right where you can't, until you can't see the rocks. Throw right down it. Yeah, and it's probably, oh, yeah, it's about 12 feet deep. Thanks, little dude.
Was that rock?
That was a rock bass, yeah. Yeah. They're usually right here. It's a good spot for ambush. And look, oh, there he is. Right on the point. Oh, that might be a good one. He might be coming off. Yeah, I didn't get a good hook at all. Yo, Leah, look at this. Right where he should be. Big smallie. I was under the boat practically. That's it, man. It's a good with that little, you know, it's pushing minnows and stuff through here. Ooh. Got lucky on that one.
He said he's out.
He broke off.
Oh,
It broke off right there.
broke off.
That's why I don't like to rip them out of the water. At least I got my jig back. That's all that matters. I can retie and we ain't gonna go nowhere. Yup. Get it. Are they really in a foot of water? Yup, he got it again. I'm like, man, maybe they're shallow. Yeah, I'm like, I've come in here before and thrown right on the bank and caught them. Look at that. That dude was in 6 inches of water. Look at you. You can't, yep, spawning. Thanks, Daryl. Go make babies. Oh, the silent hookup. Nice.
right straight down here.
Yeah. And then don't.
Took it sideways, so I figured I better pull up.
Yeah. That's a good spot. They'll throw up under there.
That one?
Stuck a good one. A medium one, I think. Yep. Hey, he's all right. Yeah, they're definitely 8 feet. Yeah, they're definitely. We need to find 8-foot docks or deeper. Thanks, man. Ooh, daddy. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, look at all of them with him. Throw behind me. Throw behind me.
No, really.
Look. Look, the bigger one is behind him.
God, there's 2 or 3 of them.
Yeah, see him?
Yeah.
Drop straight down. I'll keep him here.
I saw 2 of them.
Yeah.
Bigger than that one.
The female was with him. I picked off this male. Actually, gosh, she feels like a female. Good lord.
Right out front.
Yeah,
You were off the dock, right?
I was off the dock about 10 feet, just random casting.
Yeah, I saw this. There was 2 of them.
Yeah. Might be a female. See ya. Hello. That's so cool how they, why are they chasing that bait?
Yeah.
Old crib.
Shade stuff there.
Nice. Nice. Big small. Yeah, jump for me, baby.
Largemouth.
Smallmouth.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's in the shadows. Oh yeah. There you go, buddy. Thanks for peeing all over me.
Looks like out of rock.
Big smallmouth. Big smallmouth.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Hey, he pulled line on me.
That's nice.
I don't think I barely have him hooked. Pop off, buddy. I think he's hooked on the outside. Don't you jump. Oh, I popped him in the mouth. Man, they're so just, every one of them. Got him? Nice. Oh, I got one with you.
Bob and I had 2 doubles, yeah.
Yeah, these guys are chunk. Ooh! Get in here. Get in here. Sweet.
Rolling up there then.
Gosh, man, way up on the, I mean, literally on that stick up in there. See ya.